Hey everyone, this is Luke Perkins with Swift Sites. I want to talk to you today about running a land analysis on a parcel. So in previous videos, we've looked at how to search for different parcels that maybe meet our criteria, or we want to identify a parcel via the address or parcel PIN. Now that we've been able to locate that parcel, how do we run a due diligence analysis on that parcel? Once we click on a parcel and we're given the parcel details in this tab to the right, there's a button in green that says add to analysis. Once we add the parcel to an analysis, there's a couple of things we can do. We can override the jurisdiction and the zoning. So if this were an unincorporated piece of land, we could override its jurisdiction to basically model annexing that parcel into a certain jurisdiction. We can also model rezoning the parcel if we have a desired zoning, maybe to increase density or allow for certain uses. From there, we can just click Generate Land Analysis, and this is our first type of report. So very quickly, we can see that Swift Sites immediately turns on the aerial view, so we can look at anywhere we have open space, maybe trees or buildings. It also has identified any streams, any buffer requirements. Along with this information comes any wetlands, floodplains, zoning transition buffers, major utility easements, and transmission lines. And then I can view analysis report. From here, we can get the base level parcel detail information. We get development potential, so how big is our parcel? How many usable acres does it have after we subtract out all those things that we deem as unusable space? We get our constraints map with a legend, some zoning information, and then we get the allowed uses and development types that are allowed in this zoning district. We can click on these links to take us into the UDO to look at the allowable uses section in more detail. There's also the quick statistics. So number of ongoing projects in this area in the last 2 years, number of parcels sold, and then an average and median price of single family. So we can look for maybe what single families are going for in the district to help identify the potential for this project. We also have two different land value comps. So one is a proximity comp, looking for anything that is sold nearby in the last 2 years. And the last one is the zoning comp. So things that have sold nearby in the last 2 years that are also zoned exactly the same as the parcel that we're looking at. From here, we can save, we can export this information, and we can print this report to PDF. Thanks.